got a special surprise though, man. We got the, I ain't got a name for her. I don't know if this is her or him. You know, I named the other one. I'll show y'all that one. That's Ruby. That's the one I've been running, the first. I done had that truck for about 6 months. And that truck's been doing everything it's supposed to do. A lot of people wondering what's gonna happen to it now that I'm riding this one. Nothing at all. I'm still looking for a driver. If you guys want to apply to be a driver with String Trucking, me and Daniel will have a little interview process. Figure something out. But we are trying to keep the wheels rolling on that one. And this trailer, I'm getting a new trailer, but y'all didn't come for that. That's gonna be a completely different video once that trailer is down in the yard. So let's show y'all this nice 2022 Dodge Ram Laramie. There are a lot of features on this one that I just didn't have in the 2018 Tradesman Crew Cab that the Laramie offers, that are just way more of a comfortable ride. And like I said, I just really love this truck. This truck, it's just nice. It's nice. First off, y'all gotta understand, man, before trucking, I was riding a 2002 Toyota Camry, no features, no Bluetooth, no nothing. So with this just having, of course, every new truck gonna have Bluetooth, but look at the screen size on it. I believe it's like about a foot long. I think it's 12 by, like about a 12 by 8 screen. Yeah, a 12 by 6 screen, pretty nice. Now, I'm not too sure if I can use that for TV or stuff like that, but I will have my laptop while I'm over the road. This truck has Wi-Fi installed. It has heated seats. Heated steering wheel, and also cooling seats and cooling steering wheel. So other than that, I bought this little car mount for the ELD. I won't necessarily need it because the truck also has navigation. So I have my other phone that I usually use for maps and the other one for ELD. But now I don't even really have to use this phone like that, I can change the music. That was one of my small pet peeves. I had to reach all the way over here to like change the music, because once you're over the road, you get bored listening to the same music over and over. So I can change the music with this and go up and down. I think I can answer calls on here. So that's just a small pet peeve that the Tradesman didn't have. And if you guys didn't notice, I've been spending a lot of money on hotels, and I finally found a result for that. So this is also a reason. It's not a mega cab. We got the bed, y'all. We got the bed. So me and my baby girl, we spending the night in the truck. This is gonna be our first night in the truck today or tonight. Even though sadly she won't be always with me. So she's gonna be focusing more on dispatching and keeping that going. If you guys do need dispatching, check out the email in the description. I brought the toolbox over. I need to get a new one because this one is just old. But I brought the toolbox from the 2018, put it on here. Everything's fine. Still got the 2 spare tires in there. And yeah, same thing, ball set up, not a 5th wheel. I got my PPE boots. I don't have the fire extinguisher mounted yet. I did buy the mount. What I'm gonna do, since like I said, I got Maya with me right now, I didn't want to mount it, but I'm gonna mount it around the front because there's just nowhere I can see myself mounting it in the back anymore. But I got the 20-ton jack, first aid kit, the triangle lights. That's all DOT stuff. This is usually where I put my bill of lading on. All my compliance stuff is in there. So, got all that. And on this side, this is where I store my clothes. So, it's a good bit of room. I wish this was just a tad bit higher, but honestly, I didn't want to be too high because I felt like I would be claustrophobic, honestly. But it's a good fit. Yeah, I'll just hop in the truck and show you guys kind of how I fit in there. I bought 2 of these. You know, these are like the semi-skirts that they hang over the windows. We tested it last night and it works. It works. I am probably gonna get one during the day. Hopefully, you know, we're going to Jacksonville first. If we can't drop off there, we're gonna be staying in Jacksonville tonight. And hopefully I can be able to show you guys what it looks like, you know, when I'm in there with this on. But for right now, you know, I can at least show y'all like the size difference with me laying down, and that's pretty cool. I'm really excited. I ain't even gonna lie. Really excited. Oh, should I go from the front seat? I think it'll be easier. So it's hot right now. Move this cover. It's a little, well, nah, actually the bed is pretty cool. I guess from last night. I got 2, like I said, from my, you know, fiance's here for the night. But as far as like stretching out, like I said, I'm about 5'11". It's pretty comfortable. I can see myself doing it. And like I said, I'm gonna be saving what, like $500 to $700 a week, depending on what hotels you're staying in. So like I said, it's gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna be pretty interesting tonight. Hold on, give me a second. Like I said, y'all, I'm fully stretched out right now. Like I said, you gotta just kind of go at an angle. Now, me and Maya's gonna be pretty interesting. I'm probably gonna have to be like something like this, you know, for her to stretch out. With her being about 5'7", so you know, it's gonna be an interesting night, y'all. We just, you know, this is a one-time thing. She's not always gonna be with me, sadly, but changes gotta come. And I got the perfect truck. I'm gonna be plenty comfortable in here. Like I said, Wi-Fi, heated seats, cooling seats, heated steering wheel. I think this truck got around 1,500 miles now since I done been driving it. Great bass for the music. Like, what's up, y'all? Like I said, the bass on that thing do be kicking, so I'm finna show y'all what it's talking about. I know y'all know this song. Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the road till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a sticker. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flicker. Bill, I'm in the mood. Trust me, y'all, I wish I could play Drake or something like that, but your boy gonna get copyrighted and demonetized. So yeah, that's the one. So yeah, you know, got the features right here to show. Average mile per gallon. Now this is with the trailer hooked up, doing about 13 miles a gallon. This one has a 50-gallon tank instead of 30 with the tradesman, so that's pretty nice too. I'll probably get, you know, maybe 600 miles on average now rather than 450. So that's a good little bonus. I won't have to stop at fuel stops as much. I'm still looking to get an auxiliary fuel tank, but for right now, you know, it has, like I said, I think it has a bigger depth tank, and I know for a fact for diesel it's 50 instead of 30. So yeah, and then your regular controls, you know, the set and cruise, for when you're on the interstate and stuff. Yeah, man, that's about it, man. That's your LARAMIE. So if you guys are thinking about getting one, you gotta think a brand new tradesman right now is probably going for like, a brand new tradesman is probably going for probably like, you know, 68 to 72,000, and then the LARAMIE is probably going from anywhere from 75 to 78. So an extra 3,000, you know, for all of the features. Of course, it's not gonna come with a bed, y'all, but you know, you gotta build one up. I might make another video completely separate about the bed, because I know a lot of people are gonna be like, hey, how did you make it? Or how much did it cost for you to get it made? And how much is the mattress? And we'll leave that for another video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace. Same people that I flex with be the ones that I'm in the gym with. I'm a living legend, you a dead cause, and I'm dead ass. No, I'm dead, right? Leaving early, but I'm here night. Long and short to keep the head right. Teed up out in Malibu, got sand all